2,700 to be charged for our seafarers. The company is taking so much of effort, spending so much of money to get the people from US to India. It is not a small cost. And government, as per their SOPs mentioned on 21st April, they had mentioned in the SOP the sign-off people will not, after they've been charged, tested, and if they were tested negative, the state health authorities will take the initiative and issue them passes for them to transfer them to their home for home quarantine. Then they issued a new SOP on 7th May, wherein they introduce a new clause now saying that the ship vessels or the agents will be liable for the crew and they will bear the cost. That will be 2,500 per night. Now why this has been done? First of all, our boys who are coming from the ships, they will be on the ship for more than, some of them are for more than a month, some of them will be crossing 14 days. So this is a quarantine period in itself. Once they come down from the ship, they will be tested by the authorities. And if their test comes negative, why they are supposed to go in a paid quarantine? Why this rule is not applied for interstate transfer when people are coming from Mumbai or when people are coming from Belgaum to do their jobs? Why these people are not been treated the same way? This is not going to happen. This should not be happening actually. This is not correct. Second thing, the boys from Marela, I spoke to one of the boys. They were quarantined for 14 days in a hotel, and now they have been staying for 14 days home quarantine. This is a long period that they have to go through it. This is really frustrating for these seamen, because already people on the ships who are there on the ships, they are already into stress, so much of stress. They are calling their families, they are crying. Some of them, some different nationalities have taken drastic measures. We don't want our seamen to do this. We don't want our Goan seamen to do this because of our government's negligence and inefficiency to take a proper decision regarding this matter. Please, this is my request for the government to check into this matter. You all came with different SOPs, you all came with different rules. Don't do a double standard for our Goan seamen. Let it be same for everyone. Because of the negligence, we know what is happening now. People are coming from different states. Some people have been tested positive just today. This is whose negligence? How these people came in Goa? Why they were not being monitored or tested properly when they were crossing the borders? Who is responsible for this? If our seamen had to come and something like this would have happened, the government would have blamed us. But this is happening from interstate transfer of people. We have to take care. I would like to request to all the people who are there, all the seamen, all the Goan seamen who are come down, who are here, please come and support us. We want your support. We want your support to ask all our 39 MLAs who are there. We want your support to go and talk to them regarding this matter as soon as possible. See, Voyager of the Sea is already docked. There is a process which is started of people getting disembarked. These people will come. The companies will be paying for these people. This will not change until and unless we, the people of Goa, we the seamen of the Goa, come out and take a stand against this. I would like to address this issue to all the people, all the Goan seafarers to come in front and come take a stand against this, please.
Paid quarantine. At the moment, boys are coming, they are going to pay for it. And since we've gone through this, we found that there are some few hotels in Goa, especially in South Goa, which we found that they are ready to pay even for 500 and 750 rupees per night, which they are capable of paying, and they are ready to take the seafarers at that level. But I just want to know, still after giving this also, why government still pointing out 2,500 per night, or from why that thing comes out? We just want to know about that thing. Secondly, there are so many hotels. I went to South Goa where they are ready to understand our seamen very deeply, so that they are ready to take them for very cheap rate also. So my request for the government just to look into this matter and give a chance for them to go for this 700 at least, not 2,500.
म्हजें नांव रियन गॉयस आनी हांव एक सी फेरार गे बाय. सो म्हाका सांगपा जाय हे कार्निका बोट आजून थिंगा कितें आहा. वाय म्हाका गव्हर्मेंटाकूय विचारपा जाय वाय इट इज स्टील देर, वाय दे आर नॉट, वाय गव्हर्मेंट इज स्टील किपींग देर, नो बोट्स आर कमींग आउट. आनी बोट येवपा आहा आमगे व्हडल्यो व्हडल्यो. सो तेंक कितें करपाचें. हितू तेंप तूं थिंग दवरपा ते आनी व्हडल्यो व्हडल्यो बोटी येयले म्हणटरी तेंकां आनी कितें तेंप दोतोरलो. ऑदर द सी फेराजांगे तेंगे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट काबार जाले, तेंका मेडिसिन्स बी कितें काबार तेम कितें करपाचें. तेंगे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कोण घेता. CM कोण गव्हर्मेंट घेता तें म्हाका मातशें जाण जावपा जाय. आनी तेंच हे आतां पॉझिटीव मेळ्ळे ते गव्हर्मेंट भितालो आतां सी फेर येतले आनी सगळे कोरोना COVID-19 स्प्रेड कोता म्हणून. सो आतां हे 7 येयले ते कितकोन येयले. बॉर्डर्स आर सील म्हणटाय पूण कितको खंयचे बॉर्डर्स येयले ते कितकोन येयले. प्लीज आय वॉन्ट टू नो, आय वॉन्ट आन्सर.